Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to finally be putting the front speakers in. Same brand, Crunch 6x8s off Walmart.com. We put them in the back door. You probably won't be able to see. You can kind of see they're gray. Put them in the back door. That video is up in the iCard right there. And now we are going to be doing these ones. So I think you need a 7/16 for the screws and some sort of prying tool. So if you have manual windows, you'll probably want to move the crank away. But let's go ahead and get into this. So you just got to find where that clip is. Once you get it, this pulls out just like that. And then there's your screws. I think these are 7/16. I'm not sure. Oh no, 5mm. It takes a 5mm. I was looking at the drill bit. I didn't see anything on there, but this time I saw it. It's a 5mm. Alright, so then once you get it pulled out, you see that little connector right there? I can't really show y'all. It's hard to do this at the same time. See that little connector? Push it in on the top, and then this comes undone like that, and you can get rid of these crappy stock speakers and put the new ones in. Now the thing I already went ahead and tested this on the other door. These also fit for like 5x7. What is going on here? These also fit for like 5x7, so you can either chop these little pieces off if you're putting these in 04 to 08 F150, or you can bend them. So what I did is I just bent them up that way, and I'll show y'all pretty much in a second. Alright, so see what I did is I just bent them up, or you can cut them off too. If you have the tool to cut them off, that would probably look like a cleaner install, but that'll work as well. So you're going to get your new connector right here. I'll put a link to this down below. I got these off Amazon. They're like Metro or something. They literally just go right into the original socket right here. Like this. It's kind of hard to do. There we go. When you hear it click, that means it's good. Then you put the connections on the speaker, and then you can screw in your speaker. Alright, then once you get the speaker set in place, you don't screw don't screw them in super tight. Move it around, like screw them in a little bit, then slowly like screw them in. Here, I'll just show y'all. Alright, so as I was trying to show you, you want to make sure you get it lined up right and everything. See how it's still a little loose? Then once you got it lined up right, you can fully tighten them, and then you're going to test it and make sure it works. Then you're going to put the plastic panel back on. Somehow, someday. There we go. And yeah, install's complete. Now we can do an audio test, because I have the Crunch 6x8s in the back too, so we can do an audio test now. Alright guys, so now we're going to do a sound test with these speakers. Now keep in mind the ones in the back are also the Crunch 6x8s. I'm going to be doing some like random YouTube audio library sounds, so I don't obviously get copyrighted. The mic is going to be sitting right here in the middle of the truck, so hopefully it'll pick up the best sound. Actually, I'll take this off too. Hopefully this will make it pick up the best sound, having it sitting right in the middle of the truck. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to this test. So put headphones on if you want to get more of a realistic sound. It's probably going to be set to 30 most of the time. I'll crank it up a little bit more. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.